All right, it's Monday, and today we are installing an irrigation system here at a property out in Washington Township. So we are starting off here. First step of this is to start taking up the sod. We've got a sod cutter, so we're just cutting it up, rolling it up, and then moving it off to the side because we'll reinstall this later. Afterwards, we're going to come in with our trencher. So we went over to the fun store and got one of these guys that's going to be able to dig a nice trench for us. Then we'll come in, put in the pipes, put in the sprinkler heads, and by the end of the day, we should be having a well-working irrigation system. All right, so we're going along, making some good progress here. We're having a hand dig down there because there are some wires. We don't want to use the trencher around. But the backyard here, we've got it all trenched up. Starting to lay some pipe out. So once everything is done out front, we'll move out back here, put the pipe in, put the sprinklers head, and then refill everything. Keith are over here right now trying to get underneath the sidewalk.